guys, good morning. This is my last day. Yesterday we've concluded the Brahmatal trek, and I'm again going to witness a very fantastic sunrise on my left actually. And trust me, I really don't want to go back. I mean, this has really been such an experience. I mean, as this has, by the way, been a very first trek of mine actually. And and club it with the COVID situation, I've really been very skeptical. But the way Indiahike really assured safety for all of us has really been very impressive actually. And all my 4 days have really been fantastic, in the sense that I lived my life by the sunsets and sunrise. I mean, I drank water out of natural sources there. I kind of hugged trees. I walked barefoot on the grass. Everything has been so fantastic actually. And this is where I've come to realize that we are really the one with the nature actually. I mean, it's us who really moved on with the time and left nature behind actually. And it is really the time for us to awaken the trekker within us and then leave the tourist behind. And this is where I really want to compliment Indiahikes, because if you really see the way they design their trek, I mean, it is sustainable. It is keeping the nature in the mind. And this is how the whole experience has really been designed. So yeah, I would really recommend. And this is perhaps the future. I mean, in the sense that if you can really get more people on the mountains and get them exposed to the nature in their true essence, I mean, this is where it can really help the environment and the nature and the humanity overall actually. So a big congratulations to Indiahike, and they have my support, and I'm really going to vouch and kind of going to carry this message forward to a lot of other people.